Alphabet's our chart of the day, because
it better be.
It has its Gemini. Okay, so this competition with Microsoft is ramping up. Barron's today says, quote, Google got its AI launch right this time.
Yeah.
This is your stock.
Yeah.
This is your bet.
Yo, how mad is Brad today? Should I text Brad on the break? Make sure he was watching this.
Gerstner, no, you're speaking
so
of.
I'm not, it's not a victory lap. I just have always believed that first is not the thing with AI, because it never has been with any previous technological revolution. Ironically, we're like saying, oh, Google's late, blah, blah, blah. Google came like 6 years late to the search engine party. Let's all remember that Google came public in 2004. We had a whole wave of quote-unquote dominant search engines that came and went before they even got onto the runway. So it was way too early to declare that Alphabet's offering an AI was going to be DOA. One of the things I've been saying since the spring, there is no future of computing that Google doesn't play a pivotal role in. And by the way, not only are they not late to AI, they actually were before Microsoft in building it internally. They just went slower. Deep Brain, I mean, we're talking about 10-year efforts in AI internally. DeepMind, Google Brain. They've had AI in the works. So now they got the memo. They're catching up. You can see in the stock price, people like the rollout. It doesn't mean they're going to dominate the business the way they've dominated search. Brad Gerstner is right about that. I just don't think that the domination is the important thing to investors right now.
So this is going to run on everything. I'm speaking of Gemini, of course. Bill, you own the stock too. It's going to run on everything from data centers to mobile. Reiterated buy today. Bank of America reiterated overweight. JP Morgan reiterated overweight at KeyBank. Glowing commentary from the analyst community today as a result of all this. And the stock, as we said, is having its best percentage gain since the summer.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, I think the really interesting thing here is a 20 multiple for this name because of concern about search. And I think this could really reaffirm search, because search is going to be AI driven. I've seen some of this Gemini stuff in work. I mean, it's phenomenal. And for us, we weight Alphabet more than Microsoft in our portfolio, ultimately because we thought that the AI that Alphabet could provide or could hit on here was underappreciated, and now we're seeing it.
Yeah, Bryn, you don't own. You don't own either of these stocks, do you? Oh, you own Microsoft. You own Microsoft. So I mean, you have a dog in the fight. But do you feel like Alphabet has closed a little bit of the gap, whether it was perceived or otherwise?
They closed like a sentiment gap, right? So we all saw Gemini can say, yeah, an orange is healthier than a cookie. And so we all need to see the tangibles of what they're doing at DeepMind, which Josh is so spot on. You know, DeepMind is an incredible company Google bought a long time ago. I think ultimately it's like there's going to be multiple winners. And this year is going to remind everybody this was the year of the return of the mega caps. And when you look forward to 2024, what sector is supposed to have the highest growth? Technology. And so I think that although we've had a wonderful year, the last 2 years, I don't think Google's above that 2-year high, only Microsoft and Apple. So it'll be interesting to see if we can see continued multiple expansion and move past that 2-year high that most of these names have not breached outside of Microsoft and Apple.
It's crazy when you look at I know that we all know that mega cap has led, and to the degree which it has, it's nonetheless crazy when you look at the 12-month returns for these stocks. That Microsoft's up 50%. Now, I know the stocks got hammered a lot in 2022. That Alphabet's up 45%. That Amazon's up 66%. AMD's up 78%. And now you've got this repeated news. It's no surprise, Bill, why AI continues to dominate the investor conversation, why it remains among the best idea stocks from investors, and whether they continue to lean in relative to everything else, which there are a lot of calls for catch-up trades, this, that, and the other. But I don't know. That's where the action is.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of rotation talk earlier this week and last week as we saw the Dow continue to move out. I think that's premature, and I really think that the leadership is going to maintain here in tech as the year finishes out. Now, when we do look to next year, I believe, yes, healthcare and banks, they could really start to perform a little better. We could start to see a little more cyclical. But this AI revolution that's been taking place, it's a narrative that we keep seeing headline after headline that reinvigorates a dead tape.